First, I'm logging into the Sybase to Postgres Conversion Agent portal. This serves as the central workspace where users can access all migration modules. Next, I'll create a new project in the Forms registry. This sets up the project for migration. Next, I'll navigate to the integration module. Here, I'll configure the source and target database connections using the required credentials, along with the LLM credentials. Once configured, the platform is ready to proceed with the migration. After completing the setup, I'll select the created project. This redirects us to the workspace, where we can start the process. We'll begin with the analysis agent, which is responsible for extracting the required database objects from the source database. Here, I'll choose the specific object types that I want to migrate and then start the extraction process. The platform reads the selected objects from the source database and prepares them for extraction. After the extraction is successfully completed, the extracted files are available for download. These files serve as the input for the next phase of the workflow. Now we'll move to the developer agent, where the actual database object conversion takes place. The extracted source objects are provided as input, and the agent converts them into the target database syntax. Once the conversion is complete, the generated target objects are available for review and download before deployment. Next, we'll move to the deployment agent. Here, I'll first select the target database connection and then upload the converted database objects. Once everything is configured, I'll initiate the deployment process. The platform validates the deployment package and deploys the converted objects to the target database in the appropriate order. After the deployment is complete, the results are displayed, allowing us to verify that all objects have been deployed successfully. Next, we'll move back to the analysis agent for dependency analysis. I'll upload the input file and start the process. The platform analyzes the relationships between the selected database objects and identifies their dependencies. Once the analysis is complete, the dependency reports are available for download in both Excel and Word formats. Next, we'll move to the QA agent for test case generation. Here, I'll select the required stored procedure or function from the connected database. The platform generates the corresponding execution code, which I'll execute to verify that the object has been deployed successfully and is functioning as expected. Next, we'll move to the validator. Here, we'll compare the source and target SQL files to verify that the conversion has been performed correctly. Once the validation is complete, the platform generates detailed validation reports, which are available for download in both Word and Excel formats. Finally, we'll move to the overview module. This provides a complete overview of the whole process, allowing you to easily monitor the overall progress. That concludes our demonstration. Thank you.